Welcome to Review Rumble. The best gel polish is probably one of the most exciting ways to celebrate Valentine's Day. With so many colors and finishes available, it's easy to create a unique and festive look. Whether you're looking for a classic red, a shimmering glitter, or a playful design, gel polish offers long-lasting wear and a professional finish that will make your nails the star of the show. Get ready to fall in love with your nails all over again. Number 5. AILLSA Maroon Red Gel Polish. This maroon purple gel nail polish is a must-have for any occasion. It's perfect for creating beautiful manicures with various designs. It will make you the queen of your own life. This burgundy jelly gel nail polish is ideal for all year round. You can wear it with any outfit or event. It will show off your unparalleled beauty. This wine purple gel nail polish can last for 21 days with proper use. You won't have to worry about it peeling off. Let it serve you for a longer time. This winter gel polish is made from natural resin. It has a high color saturation and perfect shine. You can get salon quality nails in just minutes. It's a wonderful gift for her. It's perfect for different occasions. Let her sparkle in the crowd with this amazing product. What we like. This maroon purple gel polish is a must-have for Valentine's Day. Its rich color and easy application make it perfect for creating stunning nail art at home. If you're looking for a long-lasting, elegant look that will turn heads, you should consider this. What people say. The polish applied smoothly and evenly, with good pigmentation. 2 thin coats gave me full coverage. The gel formula cured nicely under my LED lamp and felt very durable. Easy to apply. Durable. True to color. Number 4. Modelones 6 Colors Gel Nail Polish Set. This Modelones set is perfect for Valentine's Day. It includes 6 beautiful pink and red cat eye gel polishes. It's a great gift for someone special. Achieve stunning cat eye effects easily. Use the included magnet to create unique patterns. Hold it close to the nail for a few seconds to get the desired look. The set comes with everything you need. It includes the gel polishes, a wooden pen, and a double head magnet. It also features specially customized love-shaped glitter. The formula is designed to be gentle on your nails. It's made with non-toxic ingredients. This helps prevent chipping, breakage, and yellowing. Enjoy a long-lasting manicure with this gel polish. The special technology ensures a smooth finish. It can last for more than 28 days. It's easy to apply, making it great for beginners. It's the perfect gift for any occasion. It is smooth and self-leveling. Always do a skin test before use. Remember, this gel needs a base and top coat. These are not included and need to be purchased separately. What we like. This set offers a unique cat eye effect with a special love heart glitter. The set includes everything you need for a professional-looking manicure. If you like to experiment with different nail art styles and want a unique look, you should consider this. What people say. Excellent color payoff in a single layer. Second layer is more rich. Smooth application. I like the small bottle since I don't feel I use up big bottles. This will be less wasteful. Perfect holiday sparkle. Great bright Christmas colors, cat eye and a Christmas glitter. Perfect. It also came with a magnet needed for cat eye and a set of Christmas nail stickers. Definitely worth every penny. Good quality and no odor and the consistency for a smooth application. Easy to apply. Not too thick. They last for a long time. Very pretty amount of sparkle and shine. Dries quickly in the UV lamp. They don't chip. And I use one of them for my cotton candy base every time. They function beautifully. Number 3. Makartt Gel Top and Base Coat Kit. This kit includes a clear base coat and a no-wipe top coat. The base coat ensures your gel polish stays put, and the top coat adds a long-lasting shine. It works perfectly with various nail types, including gel, acrylic, and dip powder nails. This set enhances the look of any base color, making it ideal for both professional use and home DIY projects. Made with natural resin, this product is non-toxic and cruelty-free. It's designed to be gentle on your nails and skin, providing a safe and comfortable experience. The top coat provides a glossy finish that lasts up to 28 days. It protects against scratches and stains, keeping your nails looking fresh and beautiful for weeks. You'll need a UV or LED nail lamp to cure the base and top coats. Apply thin layers and cure them for 60 to 90 seconds for the best results. Always do a skin test before use. What we like. This kit provides a base and top coat for a long-lasting, glossy finish. Its easy application makes it perfect for both beginners and professionals. If you are looking for a simple way to protect your manicure and extend its lifespan, you should consider this. What people say. It comes off without damaging my natural nails. Smells just like a gel top coat and gel colors stick great to it. It was easy and it didn't damage my nails. Number 2. CANNI White Gel Polish, Pure White. This gel polish is designed for a perfect manicure experience. It's more suitable for beginners, allowing anyone to have beautiful nails at home. It's perfect for all occasions and outfits. Made with advanced natural ingredients, this polish minimizes unpleasant odors. The HEMA-free formula is designed to be gentle on your nails. Enjoy long-lasting coverage and break resistance. This UV nail polish offers professional salon quality. When applied correctly, it lasts at least 21 days with a perfect shine. Remember to use it with a top and base coat. This is a perfect gift for any nail lover. It can be used to create many popular nail styles. It's suitable for daily work, parties, or as a special surprise. Use only on nails and avoid contact with skin, eyes, or mouth. Keep it away from children and pregnant women. Consult a doctor if any discomfort occurs after use. What we like. This white gel polish offers a HEMA-free formula, ensuring a safer and healthier manicure experience. Its easy application and salon quality results make it perfect for creating a variety of nail styles. If you are a beginner, you should consider this. What people say. The shine that the polish has is chef's kiss. They also have a wide range of colors. One coat is amazing all by itself, or you can do multiple coats for extra dimension. Number 1. CANNI 6PCS Light Pink Gel Nail Polish Kit. This CANNI gel nail polish is specially formulated and doesn't contain HEMA. It ensures a safer nail care experience. You can enjoy beautiful nails without worry. This gel polish has a good consistency, not thick or gloopy, and goes on smoothly. With proper application, it can last at least 30 days without chipping or peeling off. It's a long-lasting choice for your nails. The bottles are designed with colors that match the gel inside. This gives you the most accurate view when doing your manicure. It's both practical and stylish. Achieve salon quality results in the comfort of your own home. Get professional-looking, glossy nails without the salon price tag. It's easy to use and gives great results. This kit comes with beautiful packaging, making it an ideal gift. It's appropriate for all occasions, such as birthdays, holidays, or anniversaries. It's a thoughtful and practical present. What we like. This HEMA-free gel nail polish set provides a safer and healthier manicure experience. The long-lasting formula ensures your nails stay beautiful for weeks. If you are looking for a perfect gift for her, you should consider this. What people say. The colors are beautiful. The gel polish is easy to apply. The gel polish is long-lasting. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.